Look at me. Attempted to do a wave ponytail. I will never in my life do this shit again. Bitch, I don't have to pull out motherfucking pliers. Pliers. To pull out the damn bobby pins. This shit was 30 inches. This shit was 30 fucking... Who the fuck do I think I am? Who the fuck do I think I am? Nicki Minaj? Beyonce? Rihanna? This is not me. What the fuck was I thinking? Yes, I got somewhere to go tomorrow. This shit is heavy. I got somewhere to go tomorrow. But who the fuck do I think I am? With this shit, I am baffled.